finally got this cool shirt in the mail to commemorate the third launch of Starship in Boca Chica that Paul and I got to experience. Looking forward to the next launch, and it's first day in quite a while to have a sunrise, so enjoy that too. Love and peace, y'all. Bye-bye.